they see the name. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today actually is the final drop list for Supreme Spring Summer 2021, and I'm really excited for this season to be over. There's a lot of new things that I'm like just trying to cook up behind the scenes and make something official on here. I don't really care if it gets the most views or anything like that. I just want it to be some fire content that I enjoy, and I feel like I'm still gonna keep doing these Supreme drop lists because obviously I can't forget about it, but I am gonna be adding a lot of new things. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel, click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And with all that being said, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. All right, so as y'all can see, this is the final items for Supreme Spring Summer 2021. It is week 20 and we're about to see the end of Supreme. I feel like there's not even that many items on this list. I haven't fully seen it, but I have seen a little snippet of what's gonna be coming. We got probably like what, 12 items, 11 items. It's kind of small, so we're gonna go through this shit pretty quick. We do have the mesh script tank top, basically has that Supreme going around the bottom. Nothing that I would personally go for, kind of dookie to be honest. We gonna skip on that shit. We do got the dragon water shorts, which are actually pretty solid. I feel like these are clean, but at this point I already have a pair of Supreme water shorts and I don't really need these right here. They are kind of fire though, I'm not gonna lie. I do love that font that says Supreme on the side, and if these were actual shorts, I don't think I could pull them off. Low-key, this is a banger, but I'm gonna leave that where it be for whoever really needs that shit. I'm good on that. Next up, we got the Supreme Cressy rash guard. I'm assuming this is for like biking, if I'm not mistaken. Let me go ahead and pull this up for you guys. It just says made exclusively for Supreme. I don't really know what this is about right here, but I am gonna be sleeping on this. This is like a pool shirt, I guess, or like a biking shirt. It looks more flowy, so I'm assuming you could go swimming with this shit. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you're going for this piece. Let's go ahead and get that out of here. We got another bucket hat. This one's actually kind of fire. I feel like my head is a little too big for bucket hats. Baby yellow colorway is definitely pretty solid. The black one is clean as well, and I like the fact that the actual brim of the bucket hat isn't super huge. It's something that you could kind of pull off in the summertime. Not that bad, to be honest. We got the what the fuck pin. This one should be free once again with orders. I feel like they don't even do that anymore. They used to actually give pins that you can use for free in orders. I feel like this season I haven't barely got even any stickers that were different, bro. I got so many box logo stickers. I feel like the only stickers that I got that were different were from like week 1 or some shit, bro, which is tragic. Like, Supreme is not like that normally. We got this over dyed camo boonie, which we don't have an official picture. If I find one, I'll put it right where the question mark is, but that might be cool. Nobody knows. It probably is washed, like some shit like this, which would be kind of solid, to be honest. We got the Terry S logo 6 panel, which is gonna come in 6 different colorways. I feel like this one is solid in the black. That's about it. Maybe the yellow colorway is cool too, but I'd probably just sleep on that. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. We got the canvas tote, which I got a gripe with these because I do have the actual book bag. I have this, which released like a season or 2 ago, and it gets so lengthy, bro. Like, I wouldn't even recommend you to buy it. I feel like it looks sick. Like, the whole aesthetic of it almost reminds me of the Louis V book bag that has like the monogram all over it, and I really do like that piece, but obviously it's like 2,000. So let's go ahead and go back to Supreme, which this one is like 158 if I'm not mistaken, but it gets so lengthy. Like, you can literally put it on a couch, pick it up, and it'll be like yellow at the bottom. Like, I don't know what's going on with it. I don't know. I wouldn't recommend you to go ahead and buy that or the tote unless you're gonna keep a lint roller with you and you're trying to clean it every like hour or so. I feel like it looks clean though. The white one definitely looks fire for the tote, for like some pictures or something. There's definitely better ones that you can get for cheaper, so keep that in mind as well. We got the unseen washed short sleeve tee. This is probably gonna be once again one of these like washed colored tees, and it's probably just gonna have like a Supreme little tab on the side. If I do find a picture of this, I am gonna put it once again on top of the question mark for you while I'm editing. We got the backpack, which I already spoke about. I feel like that one isn't that good of an option. If you're trying to make any money, just don't do it to yourself. And if you're trying to buy that for the personal, I would honestly say just go for the book bags that they drop at the beginning of the season, like the ones that come out with the shoulder bag, the duffel. Buy one of those. It's definitely more durable in my opinion, or just more convenient in general, because this one gets way too lengthy, bro. You do not want to deal with it. Last up, we got the BodyBoard, which I feel like is a solid item for them to leave for the end of the season, simply because we are literally in the beginning of summer in a way, and this is something that people can use at the beach. I feel like it's pretty solid. Has the Supreme straight down the front of it. Pretty simple, self-explanatory. It's a solid piece, and hey, if I was into bodyboarding or whatever you call it, I would definitely want to go ahead and go for this. I just feel like it would take too much space, and honestly, I don't really want to spend money on this because I got a lot of shit going on right now that you guys will see in the future. Honestly, this week, I feel like it's just the rest of everything that was there type shit. Like, they should have added like a little collab or just something to end it with the bang. They never do, but that pretty much does it for the drop list. As far as resale goes, I honestly don't know what to tell y'all, bro. I feel like it could go good, it could go bad. I don't know, bro. I'm gonna keep it a stack with y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and get off of this screen and just talk to y'all real quick. So basically, that was the end of the drop list, but for whoever is still here and watching this video, make sure you guys stay tuned, because I know that once Supreme is over, a lot of people just tend to shy away from the channel, and I do want to bring some fire content, probably better than the Supreme drop list videos that I have been bringing you guys. It's just something completely different, and I'm trying to start up a new series or two on the channel, which you guys are going to be seeing super shortly. Make sure you stay tuned for that. I want to make my channel more so of like kind of a routine where I drop on Mondays like a streetwear plus sneakers news styled video, then on Wednesday I drop a drop list for Supreme, because I'm not trying to like go away from that. If Thursday there's a live cop, that would be the extra video for Thursday, which normally I'd probably not post that day unless there is a live cop. Then Friday or Saturday I could drop a video where I'm basically vlogging for the week, showing you guys how I'm making money selling sneakers. That's something that I'm trying to do really soon, so make sure you stay tuned for that. I want to do so much. If you guys have any ideas, I also will possibly be doing like a special video on Sunday, which you guys choose the idea for. That could be something I do either every week or bi-weekly. I'm gonna try to make this into an official schedule, and once I do, I'll let you guys know. I'm trying to make it a specific time I post as well, so once I have this schedule set out, I will let you guys know, so that you know to come back on that time at that, so that you know to come back on those certain days at that certain time, and you know that I'll have a video up. But once I have that, I'll let you guys know. If you did enjoy this video, man, slap a fat like on it down below, subscribe to the channel, click them post notification bells, let me know what kind of video ideas you have, and I'm gonna try to bring y'all some fresh new content. Make sure you stay tuned. Even though Supreme is over, there's so much more shit to talk about. With all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.